Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to do type 4 constructions where 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. In previous videos, we have completed up to worksheet number 3. Here we need to construct ABCD as a quadrilateral when AB and CD two sides are equal, each 5 cm, BC 4.5 cm, angle B and angle C are given. So you can see here, if we are given angles B and C, then if we take BC as base, so we do not require other angles. We will make angle B and then angle C. So here no such angle sum property is to be applied. How is it to be done? First, rough sketch. BC will be taken 4.5 centimeter. Then angle B will be taken 45 degree, that will be made with the help of compass. 45 degree will be like this. Then angle C 135 degree, it will also be constructed with the help of compass. Then AB is 5 centimeter. From here we will cut 5 centimeter AB, and CD is given 5 centimeter. It will be here CD, that will also be 5 centimeter, and ultimately this AD will be joined. So this is the rough sketch of the construction which we are about to do now. A rough sketch. So let's start the fair construction. First of all, 4.5 centimeter line segment. So keep the scale stable, 0, and this is 4.5. Label it BC 4.5 centimeter. Here also in a rough sketch you need to write angle B is 45 degree and this angle is 135 degree. So for 45 degree we need to make 90 degree. So take the page, keep the compass tip on B, make 90 degree first. This is an arc, keep here 60 degree. This is 120, once on 60 and then on 120. So 90 degree is not our actual requirement, so we will be taking it dotted. Now for 45 degree, 0 and 90 are to be bisected. Keep the compass here, one arc, and keep the compass tip on 90, another arc. You need to extend it. This is 45 degree angle, right? Angle B. Angle C is to be make 135 degree. We need to make first 180 degree arcs. This is an arc. From here will come 60. From here will come 120. And from here third arc will be of 180 degree. Right? So after drawing these three arcs of 60, 120, 180, make 90 degree angle, 60 degree from here and from 120. So we are going to make 90 degree with dotted line. So this is 90. The bisection of 90 and 180. This is 90. I have drawn an arc, and this is 180. I have drawn arc. This एक बार 90 से और एक बार 180 से. So that will be 135 degree. And you need to extend it. For this, that you can draw 135 degree very easily. So I am writing here in the rough work that 135 is the bisection of 90 and 180 degree. and 45 degree which you have made, for that you have bisected 0 degree and 90 degree. So take the compass and scale. Open. AB is 5 centimeter. Now you can see here 5 centimeter. This way you will open 5 centimeter. AB 5 centimeter. Cut an arc of 5 centimeter. What about CD? CD is also 5 centimeter. So keep the compass tip here and cut an arc of 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter we have cut. So we will join it. Join this. Arrow here, arrow here. This is BC and this is D and this is A. So ABCD quadrilateral has been constructed. You can write here result. Result में ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So this is very easy construction because here you are not applying even angle sum property also. Everything is given, just you need to construct. Now the next question I am taking part second. ABCD quadrilateral is to be constructed and AB, BC, CD are given. Since angle B and C are given, so I will be taking BC as the base. Drawing again rough sketch. This is BC and BC will be taken as 6 centimeter. Angle B is of 105 degree. Little outwards it will come. ऐसे करके आएगा 105 degree. Although it is rough sketch, but I am giving it shape the same as will come original. C is 75 degree. 75 degree will be just like this. Then AB is 5 centimeter. Here you will cut this way. AB 5 centimeter and CD is 6.5 centimeter. This way you will cut CD 6.5 centimeter and you need to join this AD. This is the rough sketch. So fair sketch will be made now. Construction, fair construction. First of all, you need to keep the scale properly and draw base BC as 6 centimeter. Scale should not move once you have kept. This is 6 centimeter BC. Angle B is of 105 degree. For that you need to make here 90 degree. So taken an arc 60 and 120 from here, this and then this. So dotted 90. This I have made dotted, right? Now bisection of 90 and 120. This is 105 degree. 105 degree, arrow here. On point C, 75 degree, compass tip here. For 75, this is 60, this is 120, make 90 first, 60 and from 120 this way. So dotted 90. Now for 75 you will cut, bisect 90 and this is 90 and this is 60. Both the arcs will be bisected. So they are bisecting here. Extend it. This has come out to be 75 degree. AB is 5 centimeter, right? So open up the compass, 5 centimeter. Compass tip on B and cut 5 here. And then 6.5 from C you are to cut. So opened up 6.5 centimeter, cut an arc. Here you can write A, here you can write D. Join AD now by solid line. So quadrilateral ABCD has been constructed. Labeling must be done. See, here it is 5 centimeter to be written. Here it is to be written 6.5 centimeter. Angles I have already written and base also I have already written. Now writing a result. In a result, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Hope you have understood both these constructions. In my next video, I will post rest 3 parts of this question. If you have understood all these constructions very clearly, like the video, comment, and further share the link of the channel with others so that they can subscribe it. Thank you.